Open switch. Put the 2 ring risers on the pipe. Insert the pipe halfway into the connecting sleeve. Prepare to add special sealant. Open the sealing liquid bottle cap, tilt it, and drip 1 to 2 drops of special sealant into each of the 2 parts of the connecting sleeve. To apply sealant, twist the sealant up, down, left and right several times to evenly distribute the sealing fluid. Open the crimping pliers and tighten the connector. Fix the pliers body with one hand. And quickly press the handle back and forth with the other hand until the 2 rings are all in the middle. We connected the stainless steel heat exchanger outlet and the copper pipe before. Repeatedly open the switch. Put the 2 rings on the pipe. Insert the pipe halfway into the connecting sleeve. Prepare to add the special sealant. Open the sealing liquid bottle cap, tilt it and connect. Put 1 to 2 drops of special sealant on each of the 2 parts. Twist it up and down and left and right several times to evenly distribute the sealing fluid. Open the crimping pliers and tighten the connector. Fix the pliers body with one hand. And press back and forth quickly with the other hand. Tighten the handle until the 2 rings are all the way to the middle.